Hey, it's John Wilson back with another video, another update on digistore24. First of all, to sign up for Digistore, you go to digistore24.com. It's free to sign up. It allow a shit ton of countries. I don't remember all the countries they allow, but for the most part, they allow almost every country. I'm gonna log in and show you guys what product I'm promoting for the past 2 days. It's called Medicore. For the last 2 days, I earned a total of $339.95. Today is Sunday the 17th. As you can see right here, January 17th, earned $161. Yesterday on the Saturday, $178. So far I grossed $524 just in 2 days running this campaign, simple campaign. And this is affiliate marketing. I mean, you're just selling a product, promoting a product, and making commission. And as you can see, let me search the marketplace. The first thing on the market is Medicore. That's what I'm currently promoting. You get about 85% commission. On average, you're gonna make about 178 bucks per sale on average. I'm currently using ClickFunnels to make my landing page. ClickFunnels is about $97 per month. I can leave a link in the description if you guys want to try it out. This is the landing page I'm currently promoting. This is my landing page for Medicore. Nice, simple, easy. Just still using Microsoft Bing ads. This is both of my ads. Currently, I got about 14 clicks today. I spent about 56 bucks and I made 161 bucks today, so I'm still in profit. Mind you, it's only 10:15 a.m., so I still have the whole day to make more sales. It's just early in the morning still. I'm currently sitting good right now. So take 161 minus 56, and that's how much my profit is. But if you're using ClickFunnels, I mean, I highly suggest using ClickFunnels to make your landing pages. I can leave the link in the description for ClickFunnels for a 14-day free trial, and I also can leave a link to this exact funnel. I can share this funnel through ClickFunnels if you guys sign up. So just let me know, and I can show you the same exact landing page. It's currently making me over 100 bucks per day. Like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions below, just leave it in the comment section. I will answer you back. You can follow me on Instagram also. I'm gonna leave my Snapchat also down in the description below, and I'm gonna do an update on ClickBank coming soon, probably tomorrow, sometime this week. So you guys have a nice day.